toward a prosperous and beautiful world for future generations. By 2050, we aim to become a company free of environmental impact and greenhouse gas emissions. YANMAR Green Challenge 2050. This is our challenge, tackling 3 critical goals. Challenge 1. Aiming for zero GHG emissions from our products and supply chains. YANMAR's initiatives addressing greenhouse gas emissions focus on Scope 1, direct emissions, and Scope 2, indirect emissions from energy use. YANMAR signed an agreement with SMFL Mirai Partners for a PPA. This PPA will supply 150 megawatts of renewable energy, the largest in Japan. Through the YANMAR Green Challenge 2050, we are accelerating our efforts towards carbon neutrality and contributing to the realization of a decarbonized society. YANMAR Compact Equipment North America introduced a new painting system. This system recycles heat generated during the painting process for factory heating. By utilizing waste heat, we save energy used at the factory. As a result of these efforts, YANMAR achieved 34% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions per revenue in 2023 compared to our baseline year of 2019. As part of our Scope 3 initiatives, YANMAR is promoting diverse green energy solutions across various markets. In the energy systems business, YANMAR commercialized a compact hydrogen fuel cell power generation system. This system emits no GHGs or air pollutants such as CO2 or nitrous oxides during operation. YANMAR delivered 2 hydrogen fuel cell power systems and 1 hydrogen engine power generation system to JERA's Sodagawa Thermal Power Plant. By utilizing hydrogen fuel, we have achieved carbon-free power supply contributing to zero CO2 emissions from electricity consumption. YANMAR also successfully conducted a demonstration test of a cogeneration system using city gas with a 30% hydrogen blend. We confirmed that even when using a 30% hydrogen blend, the system achieves an equivalent output and efficiency as city gas only, without major system changes. In the maritime market, YANMAR is developing technologies compatible with various fuels for decarbonization. We are developing technologies that can meet demanding fuel supply and cruising range requirements for next-generation fuels such as methanol, hydrogen, and ammonia. The E-Sail Drive series is YANMAR's first electric sail drive. Its advanced design and ease of installation have been recognized with innovation awards at the Miami International Boat Show and the Dame Design Awards, which is a prestigious design award in the marine industry. YANMAR also introduced the electric compact equipment V8E, SV17E, and C08E in Europe. They provide equivalent performance to diesel models while significantly reducing emissions and noise. Challenge 2. Realizing environmentally friendly business operations based on circular resources utilization. YANMAR focuses on 4 themes to realize zero environmental impact business activities. Theme 1. Waste reduction and recycling. Theme 2. Building a circular economy. Theme 3. Reduction of water use. Theme 4. Limit use and emissions of environmentally hazardous substances. YANMAR has started efforts to convert used uniforms to hydrogen energy with BiotechWorks H2. In Japan, around 160,000 tons of company uniforms are disposed of annually, causing GHG emissions. We will process outdated uniforms into hydrogen energy through chemical recycling. Smart Gyro switched to eco-friendly coolant in the boat stabilizers. We are reducing environmental impact while maintaining stabilizer performance. By visualizing waste usage and emissions in group companies, we identify areas for reduction. As a result of these efforts, waste volume decreased by 13% per revenue compared to the baseline year. The recycling rate increased by 10%, and water usage decreased by 25%. Challenge 3. Proposing new solutions that help customers achieve GHG negative operations and promote resource circulation. In 2024, YANMAR started promoting and supporting decarbonization in agriculture. We have initiated a new project utilizing the J credit system in collaboration with Docomo Business. By extending the drying period of rice cultivation, we reduce methane emissions and gain credits from the government. The credits generated provide earnings back to the producers, and YANMAR sells the harvested rice as environmentally friendly rice. In the Philippines, YANMAR collaborates with Fager to reduce methane emissions in rice paddies. Using the alternate wetting and drying technique, we suppress methane generation in paddies. AWD is a water management technique used in rice cultivation. It involves periodically drying the rice paddies. This method supplies oxygen to the soil, inhibiting the activity of methane-generating bacteria. As a result, it reduces methane emissions compared to continuous flooding. YANMAR will use carbon credits earned in the Philippines for carbon offset initiatives. We contribute to sustainable agriculture, balancing reduced environmental impact and increased producer earnings. These efforts have been recognized, achieving the highest rank in the DBJ Environment Rating for 20 consecutive years. The rating evaluates companies based on their environmental management practices. YANMAR is a company that has lived together with nature. By pursuing both environmental and human-centric solutions, we will create a more sustainable and prosperous future. We aim for a sustainable future that balances the people's prosperity with the richness of nature. Together, as a group, we will continue our exciting new challenges. Every action we take brings us closer to a happier and more prosperous future. In that belief, we will continue to take on new challenges.
A sustainable future.
YANMAR Green Challenge 2050.